Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to eBay. Now, first thing you should do is to simply log in into your Printify account on the browser. Then once you enter the home page, you will see here on the top left corner, this section, My Store. Just click on this button. Then here, as you can see, it will open this small window. You should now click on Manage My Stores. And after that, will show you all of your stores just right here. You can simply click on Add New Store on the top right corner. Then here, as you can see, it will show you all the stores that you can connect to, including Etsy, Shopify, Walmart, Printify, eBay, etc. So here in our case, we are going to click on eBay button right here. And after that, they will ask you to do a couple of steps in order to confirm the connection between your Printify account and the eBay account. So first you have to create your store. So you have to name it if you are going to create a new one, or you can simply click on this option right here. I want to use an existing Printify store. Then click on connect right here. After that, it will show this page. They'll ask you to create an eBay account. So click on create an eBay account if you do not have one. And if you have an eBay account, you should check this box right here. Then click on continue and make sure that you are logged in on your eBay account on the same browser you are using in order to connect it. After that, they'll ask you to register for a seller account. So if you want to register, you will have to click on this button, the here button with the green font. And if you have registered, you can simply check this box, then click on continue. After that, they will ask you to set up the payment method and finally confirm the eBay business policies and connect. And that is it. This is how simple it is. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.